If you want to unlink your Apple Pay account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your payment information is removed. This process will help you manage your payment settings effectively. Step 1. Open the Facebook app. Launch the Facebook app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into the account that has the Apple Pay linked. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner iOS or top right corner Android to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payments. In the Settings menu, look for the Payments section. This may be under the Account Settings or a similar category depending on your app version. Step 4. Manage Payment Methods. Once in the Payments section, you will see a list of your linked payment methods. Find the Apple Pay account you want to unlink and select it. Step 5. Remove Apple Pay. Tap on the option to remove or unlink the Apple Pay account. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that the payment method is successfully removed. After completing these steps, your Apple Pay account will be unlinked from Facebook. If you have any issues, consider checking Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.